homie. This Tune-Chee from down the street.
Yo, Hmong pride citywide, we slingin' that fire, no cap. But half the fam split, swiping Tinder, chasing traps. Auntie switching names from year to Karen, trying to blend. Still cooking sticky rice, slanging spice, no pretend. Broke homies betting roosters in the backyard, low stakes, sipping cheap brews. Crime about the hood, man, give me a break. Pops in the woods, popping shots at bucks, missing every dough. Hogs run wild, we aim wild, the dreams moving slow. Minds on that hustle, puffing green, dodging the law's grip. OGs jet to Laos, chasing love, one last trip. Uncles wildin' on rice wine, chaos in the kitchen, hectic. Aunts on the faebook, skirts tight, posing like they epic. Cause chasing clout, doping dreams, lost in that highlight gleam. Hoes want likes, we roll eyes, dodging the fake ass scheme. Life's a grind for a Hmong, block to block, no ease. Club politics, beefing over Bambi. Nah, yo, pass the peace, please. Hmong homies hustle, yo, these my kin. Sticky rice and sausage, dripping crack sauce in. From ghetto volleyball spikes to umbrella fights, we ball hard to crash hard, that's the Hmong. I ain't about factions or fights at the New Year's scene. We all just Hmong, tryna rise, fuck that green tea. Pop that rice wine, grill them chops, heat on lock, dash of crack sauce. Yo, that's the Hmong spot. We still shining, homie, no shade. Yeah, that's the Hmong homie hustle, homie, no shade. Yeah, that's the Hmong homie hustle. Yeah, neck ain't down. In the park, we spike that ball like street kings, no net. Umbrella bros blocking sun, hating rays, no sweat. Sausage popping on the grill, crack sauce, dripping gold. Feast like bosses, but the wallet's crying ice cold. Came for the dream, big slice of that star, spangled pie. Now dodging drum, divorce, wondering why we try. Hustlers clucking chicken, scraping